Thinking the fight for LGBTQ equality today was a very important day and a very momentous day.
Today, the Supreme Court issued an opinion in 3 different cases.
Today's decisions cemented that employers cannot fire someone due to their sexual orientation or gender identity.
So I hadn't let myself get my hopes up. So to find out today that there was such a sweeping positive decision, I've just been kind of elated and surprised all day.
I believe I saw maybe a tweet from Chase Strangio, one of the lawyers in these cases at our ACLU national office, that said, "We won," and I started feeling just so excited and relieved.
I just sighed in relief, and also it's kind of, I just feel really grateful for all the people who fought so hard for this.
I'm grateful to know that people like me will be protected. I can remember in law school thinking about what type of skirt suit I would buy and how I would do my long curly hair, because I didn't feel comfortable in Missouri presenting the way that I do, or being as open about my sexual orientation as I am able to do now.
One thing that we hear over and over again is that it's not just discrimination at the job, it's so hard just to get that job. And I think that underemployment and underemployment continue to be a massive problem for the transgender community, especially transgender women, especially Black and brown transgender people. And so I think that it's really important that we work with employers to think about how what they're looking at when they're hiring people, and how they have truly non-discriminatory hiring practices.
While there are protections in the law, the lived experience is far from just.
We have such great rules in Oregon and laws in Oregon around trans people, but there's a difference between legal equality and lived equality.
People should know that we're still fighting.
Changing the law is just one step. We also need to think about the lived experiences of people.
We, as the LGBTQ community, owe a lot to the Black and brown trans community, and it's time that we start acknowledging that, not just with words, but with action.
We've heard from our colleagues at Basic Rights Oregon, this fight for justice in our community is far from over, especially for Black LGBTQ people, and I am grateful that this is just one less battle that we have to fight.
As much as we are still in a struggle for basic equality in this country, for everybody, regardless of who they are or the color of their skin or their gender identity, I think we should still celebrate today's victory.